Today, we're going to talk about harvesting and preserving your garden's bounty. Growing a garden can be a lot of work. But there's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown fruits and vegetables. And the best part is, you can enjoy your garden's bounty all year round by preserving it. When harvesting fruits and vegetables, it's important to pick them at the right time. Tomatoes, for example, should be picked when they are fully ripe and have a deep red color. If you pick them too early, they will not have the best taste. Preserving your harvest is a great way to enjoy your garden's bounty all year round. There are several methods to preserve fruits and vegetables, such as canning, freezing, and drying. Canning is a great way to preserve fruits and vegetables such as tomatoes, green beans, and peaches. Another great method of preserving is dehydrating. You can dehydrate fruits and vegetables like apples, bananas, and mushrooms to make them into snacks or add them to your meals. By harvesting and preserving your garden's bounty, you can enjoy the taste of fresh fruits and vegetables all year round. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!